In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. Whether you're setting up a new online store or just trying to streamline the customer experience, removing these charges can be crucial, especially if your business model includes offering free shipping or if you include taxes within the product price. Let's get started on how to adjust these settings effectively. First, log into your Shopify admin panel by visiting your online store's backend system. Once logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This option will direct you to a page where you manage all the backend settings of your store. Here, you should see multiple options related to your online shop's functioning. Following this, click on Taxes from the menu on this settings page. This section allows you to configure how taxes are applied, based on either your store's location or custom-specific rules. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Tax Calculations. You will need to uncheck the box that states Show all prices with tax included and the box that reads Charge taxes on this product. Doing this ensures that taxes will not be calculated at the final checkout page. Some store owners prefer this option if taxes are already incorporated into the product price, thus simplifying the transaction process for the customer. Next, navigate back to the main Settings menu. This time, select Shipping and Delivery. Here, you're going to deal with how products are delivered and charged for during the checkout stage. To move forward, identify and click on Manage Rates under the section that pertains to your shipping profile. At this point, you'll see the different shipping methods that you have configured for your shop. If you haven't set custom shipping zones, you'll see the standard options. You'll need to edit or delete these rates to ensure shipping isn't calculated at checkout. For instance, if there's a listing for a shipping rate that charges by a certain amount, go ahead and click Edit. You can then change the rate to a price of 0, effectively offering free shipping, or remove the rate entirely if it's not needed for your sales strategy. Confirm these changes by saving them, and repeat this process for each shipping zone if you have more than one. And there you have it. With all these steps completed, customers can now check out without the confusion or inconvenience of extra tax or shipping costs being added on at the final stage. This transparency can significantly enhance the user experience and potentially boost sales, especially if marketing emphasizes free shipping or tax-included pricing. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to refine your Shopify store settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling!